You guys, I've been trying to film, and you guys know that going back to filming after you stop filming for a while, it's super hard. I'm eating my dinner. I'm eating banana today. Welcome back to a new vlog. Long time no vlog. I know, like, I think the last vlog I posted was like 1 month ago, and this one I don't even understand it. Long story short, I'm back, and yeah, basically I just got out of the shower after some intense workout. It was intense, but anyway, moving on to my skincare. I just got this Wonder Ceramic Mochi Toner. I just got it about 3 weeks now, and I don't think I've seen any changes in my skin, but my money's not going to waste, so I'm just going to keep using it. And yeah, basically, how are you guys doing? I've missed vlogging so much, but it's been so hard getting back to vlogging. I don't know if that's how it is for everyone, but that's how it is for me. It is so hard when I stop vlogging for a while and I want to get back. I feel it is so hard for me to get back. I always forget how to vlog sometimes. Yeah, I do forget. I think I'm having sunburn. I got this new sunscreen and I don't think the coverage is enough. I might have to change it. I'm not going to waste it, but yeah, my skin is always acting up. I think it's time to see a dermatologist for my skin. Like, yeah, I'm already seeing fine lines. Fine lines at 26. Girl, you better run to the dermatologist. My skincare this night is just simple. Just three skincare products. Just 3. And we're out of here. And I know you guys will think I'm always eating healthy. It's not how it seems. Not like I don't eat healthy, but I don't eat healthy enough, if you get what I mean. I need to eat healthy enough. I need to eat more greens, eat more carrots, eat more apples, drink my greens, drink my veggies, eat my veggies. That's the goal now. My moisturizer, yeah, I've been using this because I have a dry skin, and I think my dry skin is actually dry as fuck, because this thing doesn't moisturize shit. We used to moisturize before, but girl, it just stopped. It stopped. I'm sure you guys will be wondering why I'm doing my skincare in my parlor. My parlor is just so comfortable and so nice. Like, I like the vibe my parlor gives. Parlor, living room, anything you want to call it. Yeah, my living room looks so nice. Yeah, that's why I'm filming here. My room is always, the light is not lighting, so yeah, it needs more lights. I'm planning on that one. It's just gonna take some cash off my bank account. So yeah, and next on my skincare routine is this Bright and Clear face cream from Face Facts. I don't know, I'm not really consistent with it, so I won't really like give a review, but I don't think it's as strong as the Bright and Clear. I don't know what brand Bright and Clear is that, but I know there's another Bright and Clear, so this one is like a dupe to that Bright and Clear. I actually wanted to get that one, but I don't want something that would be too strong for my skin, and I also talked about the money involved as well, and this was what my money could get at that time, so I just got it. And yeah, basically that's basically it. I think I'm talking too much in this vlog. Am I? Let us sit down for a while I eat my banana. And also, I've not been sleeping well. I don't know what the problem is, but I don't think I get more than 3 hours sleep. in a day for like 2 times now. It has happened like 2 times in a row, like just 3 hours, 3 hours, and I'm awake. And yeah, and I start pressing my phone, and from there it's 5:30, time to get ready for work. And yeah, I don't know, but my plan this night is to eat. That's what I've started eating, eat and sleep very early. So I'm also going to go in with my moisturizer bag. Hi guys, hi loves, hi, how are you guys doing? I don't know why I just keep saying hi. It's so shocking that there is lights, like I met lights in this house, because yesterday while filming dinner they were just taking the lights on and off, and I just got back. It's currently 2:08. As I was coming back from work, I had to quickly stop by to do some simple hairdo, even though I don't like it. You know that moment whereby your hairdresser is making hair, you don't really like it, but you have to pretend that you like it. That's where I found myself today. I could have made this myself, but I was too lazy and too tired to even want to come and start making this hair today. But I'm just going to manage it. I have an event tomorrow, and I might just leave work on time for this event, so the timing might not be so great for me. So I just went to make this evening, and I hate the fact that it's pointing so high. Some people might like it, but I just don't like the pointing, so I think I should have made it down. And I told her I didn't want it very high, but anyway, yeah. So basically that's the dilemma I'm finding myself. What else? I plan to show off for myself in this vlog throughout this week, so that's why I'm here in your face. So take me as you see me. And yeah, I'm too tired to make dinner. I bought plum. I don't know if you guys know native plum. I'm going to leave it on the screen if you don't know. It's so yummy, and it makes going to the toilet very easy for me, because going to the toilet is always so hard. That's why I eat a lot of vegetables, if you guys don't know. So yeah, since I realized that this makes me go to the toilet often, chef kiss, and it's so sweet and it's so healthy as well. You guys should go Google the benefits of it. It's really nice. I like sour sweet taste, so if you like sour sweet taste, plum, native plum is definitely for you. So yeah, I'm just going to go shower and eat some plum and head to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, bye. Okay, so hi guys, I'm done taking my bath. Just ignore the way I am looking right now. I look crusty, I know that, but ignore. I'm going to be quick because I don't know when this Nepal are going to show themselves. So I got this jewelry last week, and I thought it will go like, I'm thinking it will go with my outfit tomorrow. So let's quickly unbox it. So I got this double layer chain, so it has like a beaded stuff inside. Yeah, I'm really visioning this outfit in my head. I hope I don't look like potato tomorrow. Anyway, you know when you vision like your outfit, you plan your outfit, and then by the time you wear it, you're like, what the hell, was I the one that planned this? You get. So yeah, this one, let's bring it out to see. Yeah, I don't think I've ever bought like a layer chain before. I usually layer it myself. So yeah, I can't wait to see how this goes with my outfit. I think I've bought before, but then it all tangled up and I just got tired of it. And I also got a ring. This was the one I got, and then she gifted me this one. Let's try it on. And this is the one she gifted me. This is up. Yeah, not bad. This is the one I really love. Like, you guys, it's kind of heavy, like it's heavy, and you can like press it to your size, and voila. I love it so much, so much. I never knew I was size 8 until she told me that sizes would feel like my finger just by looking at my picture on Insta. Anyway, future husband, my ring size is 8 or 7.5, because this one is a bit loose, so I still have to press it a bit. But yeah, future husband, my ring size is 7.5, 8. Okay guys. Hi loves, you guys, like it's been raining, so I've not been able to step out of this house, so ignore the quality you are getting at this part of the vlog. What's up? I'm ready to go, and my necklace is not so bad. I'm just waiting for my boat right now, and yeah, I'll show you guys my full face when I get there. Did I tell you guys where I'm going to? I'm going for an influencer movie watch party. I was invited by Genesis. We're going big. We're going big. Before the old noise starts, hi guys, it is Sunday, so I got invited to a skincare clinic opening, so I'm on my way there. I'm actually late. It's supposed to be for 3, it's already to 4, so yeah, hopefully I've not missed anything out. It's actually my fault. I forgot that there was like a free skin consultation today. I went to go and do makeup, and so I just wipe up the makeup and bare skin. I'm shining because I use a lot of skincare, so yeah, let's go.
Range of beauty services. You have your laser treatment,